Welcome to the new voice of on-demand job training. For the first time in history, we have over 4 generations working together in the same place. This presents an opportunity and a challenge. In order to capitalize on this, we need to capture and retain the experience and energy of our older workers while still engaging the innovation and the tech savvy of our new employees. In order to do that, we have to consider a basic learning model. Consider that 70% of what you learn is on-the-job experience, 20% from informal learning, and only 10% on our formal learning function. What we need to be able to do is capture that 90% and support the 10%. There are key cultural trends that will help us to do just that. The first, consider we live in the age of impatience. We're an on-demand culture that requires speed and ease of our information. We see it in everything we do. Employees are the same way. They want instant access to information so they can get it to the customers and do their jobs well. Second trend, do you speak visual? The days of volumes of paper and interpretation are over. We are shifting to a visual vocabulary, that video snippets are replacing text. So if your learning involves volumes of reading and boring lectures, you're going to tune out your workforce. The new way to do things is to make it personal, make it about the learner. One size certainly does not fit all when it comes to the learning function. Much like customers, our employees respond to that personal attention. So how do we leverage these trends to increase our learning and our on-the-job performance? Mobile devices are the gateway to that opportunity. So here's a case for introducing a mobile device strategy to your learning. 75% of C-level executives watch a business video every week. And these mobile device users are more willing to share these video experiences. And in fact, there's a 40% increase in social networking and blogs. And smartphone sales are growing at an incredible rate. So what we are seeing is our workforce is looking to their mobile devices for their key information, and they're using them to communicate information with their team members. If that's not compelling enough, consider that when surveyed, 3/4 of IT professionals believe a bring your own device strategy would take almost an hour out of the workday. And by 2017, Cisco reports that maybe 70% of all information will be sent to us via video. And mobile devices will be what we use to receive it. Well, how do we leverage these trends to get to the performance that we desire in the future? Well, it's my pleasure to present to you the revolutionary new Empower system for training using mobile technology from Enterprise OJT, training at the speed of business. And like any good performance improvement initiative, it begins with an analysis. You want to establish the organization's performance goals and assess its current training. When it comes to this assessment, we look at 4 basic areas. What is the training like right now and where is it working? What is the employee's level of readiness? What is the technology as it currently exists and the plan for the future? And where does the organization exist in its market space? From there, we can identify the gap, what's missing, so we can help capitalize on that 90% that people need in order to perform best on their jobs. Secondly, we need to identify and apply a solution. Now, every organization is going to have a unique solution specifically designed to their needs based on one of 2 dimensions. First, we'll look at the training. Where are they in terms of their on-the-job training? How sophisticated? How big is the gap? And secondly, how ready are they for a technology solution? To start, that first method is our DIY your OJT. This is a simple process in which we use short targeted sessions, both paper-based and video, combined with simple business application focus, our acclaimed toolkit for sustainability, and upgrades that are available to our partners for as long as we do business with them. Establishing this basis helps us to transition to the more powerful method of using the popular trend of videos for creating on-the-job training, or video on-the-job training. And that leads us to the jewel of our program. Imagine your smartphone scanning a watermark and getting all the information you need as an employee to get the job done. Starting with a personalized screen that tells you what's happening in your world today. Secondly, a measurement tool that tells you how you're doing in terms of training, what you have accomplished, and allows you to communicate with management as well as your peers in the organization. And then all the on-demand information you need to perform, whether that be job aids, whether that be a video, whether it be a video job aid, whether it be information from an industry text, or whether it be safety and quality information from the head of your organization. Short, immediate learning when your employees need it and always current, all without spending money on a complex learning management system or training manuals. How will your organization benefit from this unique initiative? Imagine getting new and new-to-role employees performing in 70% less time and reducing the cost of your on-the-job training by up to 90%, while virtually eliminating document version control issues and giving your employees in multiple or global locations instant and immediate access to key information. And finally, creating a culture of learning and performance in your organization that is second to none. So the future is here. Contact us today to get a free demonstration and determine how to get this started in your organization.